Kopecky getting it once again to Jovanovski. Pass deflected. Jovanovski saving it. Kopecky closing in, resting it. He scores. Thomas Kopecky scores a Panther power play goal.
Got their first two, as Rick pointed out, in the game Saturday. Now they get the first goal of the game. It actually deflected off a stick in front. Watch it, hits Brewer's stick right there. And deflects past Rolison.
Goals by LeCavalier and Downey. Since then, they've gone 14 straight without a goal. Here's a save by Theodore, and the St. Louis shot immediately. Watched closely by Mathias. Panthers learn their lesson there. Here's Purcell out in front. They score! With only 4 seconds to go, the power play. Versteeg, but Brewer was backing the play up. Gave it up to Fleischmann. Here come the Panthers. Now Versteeg cutting and shooting. Saved by Rolison. Rebound clear to lead from LeCavalier to Brewer. Lobbing it in on goal. Stopped by Theodore. He lost track of it. Kopecky finds it. Fortunately for him, with a players nearest the puck, and it was moved out. Here's Thompson turning the corner, goes forehand. Theodore the save. Puck loose again. Hall, Hedman scores! Wide by Fleischmann. His stick disrupted just enough to force that shot wide. Kulikov winding, faking. Weiss shooting. He scores. Stephen Weiss drills it home.
Goal. You point out, Rick, their second power play goal and 3 opportunities. But look at it, comes down there, pass to Weiss. See it right there? That's short side. That shouldn't happen from that face-off dot. Take the slow hand and see. Look at all the room you got right here.
Lead for the Lightning. Jovanovski. Beating it now to Kopecky. Wrist shot knocked down in front. And Garrison shooting. Save. Rolison covers the puck with the help of Clark. 1:03 to go in the penalty to St. Louis.
That's what's creating all the pressure in their zone.
Shannon without a stick. Hedman broke his, and Shannon gave his. A pass across. They score. Versteeg capitalized. Off takes it. He's got Vinny with him. Purcell shooting. A save there by Theodore. Tricky move and the toe drag by Purcell. The shot at the point by Brewer. Rebound try. Theodore saved there. A breakaway for Bergenheim. Bergenheim on Rolison. Fake shoot, scores. Sean Bergenheim, a shorthanded goal, and the Panthers have a 4-2 lead. Finally across the line. Fires. Saved by Theodore. He juggled it, but hangs on as the traffic arrives. Purcell. Check here by Mathias. It's tapped out to center. Gilroy bumps into Carter. Angled the pass perfectly. LeCavalier cuts it, shoots, scores! Vina fires it off the official. Upshaw centers. Backhand saved by Rolison off the blocker as Kopecky was stopped. 20 seconds remaining in the penalty. The pass to Fleischmann. Steps in. Beating it now. The shot by Versteeg. He scores! Chris Versteeg has scored again. And another power play goal for the Panthers. They're back in front by 2 again at 5-3.
More room, and he didn't go. He tried to pass it back, but watch this time. When they get the pass right through the middle, he gets it, and again, short side, high over the glove. Bang, it's in there. And Versteeg picks up his second of the night, third on the season. But take a look at this Foxball right there. Just beats.
Back out to Jovanovski. Shooting directed on goal by Upshaw, and Rolison made the stop. Puck kept in by the Lightning to within 1. That was earlier. It's now a 2-goal deficit again. Gilroy well covered by Skilly. Gilroy fires in front. They score! Stamkos rifles it home on the one-timer. It's a 5-4 game. More involved. It finally comes loose. Clark shooting save by Theodore. Clark lines again. That drive deflected wide. Loose behind the net. Shannon wins the race for it. On with it. Clark. Closely watched by Skilly, angled it, St. Louis shoots, save, rebound! Theodore the stop there! Waiting for a whistle, there it is, with St. Louis and Shannon burrowing their way in, looking for a loose puck. More involved, and the Lightning really gunning for that tying goal. Versteeg, a Bruin draft pick. Now he centers, Weiss shooting, scores! Stephen Weiss has made it another 2-goal Panther lead with 4:32 to go in the third. It's 6-4. Watched by Adam Hall. They score! Garrison fires it home off the pass from Campbell. A 5-on-3 power play goal. 7-4 Panthers.